Hello traders, welcome back to another video. This is day 6 of recording my entire trading session for 90 days. So I've been watching my last few videos and then I noticed there was something off with the pacing of the videos, because I would do the intro and then I would just go straight into the entire recording of the day, and then the recording would start at like 1:30 p.m. but then there's also just like the first part of the recording is just me waiting for the trade. And I think a better format would be, before I do the full recording of the day, I could show you guys my journal and then show the recording of my journal, go through the trades that I took and explain why I took them, and then play the entire recording, because I feel like that would be a better pacings for these videos. So we took 3 trades for the day, 2 on the funded and 1 on the combine, and then I'll quickly go through my thinking of the day. So I went long here because I was looking for reversals and I knew that price created these fair value gaps, and I'm always looking at these gaps, and then it took out this high, which I thought would be enough proof for it to go and grab this high as well for the day. On the funded, this is where I entered, but on the eval I entered at the point where my mind said, where would I enter if I had no fear? If I had total faith in the market, where would I put my entry at? And this is where I was, and it really was perfect, because price left this unfilled gap, and around this area you feel like it would go up without you and you have some FOMO. But if I say what is mine will truly never be taken away from me, which means where is my gut telling me is a perfect entry, and this is where I was. So I went for like max consistency days for $1,500, and this is where the TP was. But on the funded, we were still in the trade, because like my take profit was around here. Throughout the recording you'll see me typing it out that there was a possibility of reversing at this point, because it just looks like a point of reversal. So when it came closer to my entry, I was thinking this is less likely to play out, so let me exit at this point. But I was also looking at the Nasdaq, so if it's not going up then it has to come down, right? I was looking at on NQ, and then it looked like a downtrend was starting to happen, and it was more likely that price would go and grab these liquidity instead of these highs. So I saw that on NQ it looked like price was creating a short-term downtrend, and then I just wanted to ride that wave, and it kind of completed what I'm looking for in a like a reversal, which is it takes out these lows and create these gaps. I was self-aware about the fact that I actually had a loss now, and so because of that I risked less. I only risked 1 contract with these highs above here, but unfortunately price took me out at the market close, but price did end up hitting our favor, as you can see in the new week. So I'm recording this on well, it's Monday now, but yeah, that is how Friday day went for me, and it's a new week. Let's see how that goes. I feel aligned, I feel calm, and I feel confident that I know that the market can do whatever it wants, but I have the right tools to achieve my goal. So like the video if you've made it so far, comment, let me know what you guys think about these videos, and now here's the recording.